So I came across bamboo-based tissue products in my home country, China, and at that time I didn't see anything like this in the West.
Bamboo grows 30 times faster than trees. You know, in the world of stretched resources, it's a much more sustainable material. It became a no-brainer for us to launch a business doing this.
We have a great brand, we have great products, and we have a great team. I think all these things combined, it makes Cheeky Panda a high-growth, successful business.
So we've had a really busy and exciting start to 2021. We won Best Plant-Based Product on Ocado's Rising Star Awards. So really exciting that a challenger brand was recognised in those awards. We're really excited to announce that Waitrose have launched 3 of our SKUs in over 200 stores in the UK. It's really amazing that Waitrose are getting behind our bamboo products. Also this year we launched our biodegradable makeup wipes, which we've launched across our retailers, and really excited to announce that we launched those on feelunique.com, which is a great platform for our beauty products.
It's been a really exciting year so far for all of our Amazon accounts, as they've all been growing considerably with sales and audience reach. So it's really cool. Amazon reached out to us to take part in their Treasure Truck campaign for Earth Day. We listed our anti-fat wipes with them, and it was great as the product was shown to so many new consumers that hadn't heard of us, and it sold incredibly well.
So 2020 was a challenging year for B2B, but we managed to maintain our relationships and really have that key positive partnerships. So across different verticals, we've picked up new business with more and more sectors open.
We've had some really exciting growth in our UK store this year. The revenue has doubled since the start of the year, which is amazing. Really recently we've launched our German store as well, and we're optimising our US store currently.
And we have also just launched with Tmall, which is the biggest e-commerce platform in China.
So the first Cheeky Panda container has officially arrived in Australia, which is super exciting. We have also launched in Rossmann in Poland and Hungary, in Alnatura in Germany, in Carrefour in China, in Zoom in UAE.
In terms of the US market, I think we're actually further down the line in terms of progress than we anticipated. So we launched in the US probably 12 or so months ago now with our key partners UNFI, and actually since then we've managed to get listings with loads of others, all of which we didn't necessarily expect to achieve within the first 12 months.
And what's really great about the US market is that we're able to use some of our key relationships in the UK with people like Whole Foods and Boots to establish really good relationships with their counterparts in the States.
So we've been super busy in marketing. So we've been continuing our partnership with Edinburgh Zoo, sponsoring the Panda Cam, and you might also find us outside the Panda enclosure if you look close enough. And we're continuing with our Earth, Ocean, People initiative, supporting charities we think deserve it the most. We've also been working with some exciting influencers to help spread the word of Cheeky Panda, as well as a number of brand partnerships, so watch this space for some exciting collaborations.
So when we first launched with Seedrs back in 2017, we had a share price of £4.23. Our market cap was just under 5 million, and we had 2 employees, which was myself and Julie. Through the years, that's grown incredibly. We've now got a turnover last year of just 5.5 million, got over 30 staff, and we've got 3 offices. And the way this company is going is the trajectory is up, and we see ourselves becoming a global player. So the potential is huge, and that's one of the reasons why we think this is such an exciting opportunity.
Join the Cheeky Panda journey!